Today's loudest AI headlines. I scrolled right past them. The ones that actually made me stop are the 6 nobody is reposting. And they get sharper as we go. Group 1, the big guy's mistakes. Meta reportedly cut about 10% of staff and moved 7,000 people into AI. And Zuckerberg himself admits the AI pivot moved too fast for the org to keep up. That's a mirror for any plant. What kills an AI rollout is never the technology. It's process, people, and org not keeping pace. The best model just spins. Group 2, the real constraints on deployment. 3. 1. Anthropic reportedly suspended foreign nationals' access to its new models on a U.S. government directive. Reminder. The AI your line depends on can stop overnight. Keep a plan B on critical steps. 2. Over $100 billion of data centers got blocked or delayed this year over power and water. AI isn't infinitely cheap. That compute cost lands on you eventually. 3. Analysts say a $200 subscription can, in theory, squeeze out dozens of times its API value. For small shops, that's the cheapest window to use AI. Group 3, the boundaries. OpenAI is under investigation by attorneys general across several U.S. states. A Google security director resigned over a military AI contract and named it in an internal letter. Together, one message. Industrial AI needs a safety and compliance floor too. Data, the line, decisions can't be handed off without limits. Notice, not one of today's stories is AI is about to replace you. What's actually happening is AI hitting real walls on the way to deployment. Org, energy, regulation, safety. The opportunity in this trade is exactly in helping take those walls down, one at a time. So next time a big AI headline drops, don't ask what got disrupted, ask 3 things. Where does it stall in deployment, who pays, and what does it mean for my role? Follow me. Every day I dig through the AI news and keep only what's useful to people who actually build things. Of today's 6, which do you want me to break down? Tell me in the comments.